If gravity is what's holding everything down on Earth, where does the gravity come from? Stick with me, because the next few minutes are about to debunk gravity irrefutably. They told you gravity comes from the Earth's mass, that big objects pull smaller ones toward them. Sounds clean, right? Sounds settled. But think about this for a second. A ship sitting on the ocean, a skyscraper bolted into concrete, a rainstorm forming miles above your head. All of it supposedly being held in place by an invisible force that no one has ever seen, touched, or explained from the ground up. Here's the part they glossed over in your science class. The man who gave us gravity's formula, Isaac Newton himself, admitted he had zero idea what was causing it. His exact words? He said he would not pretend to know. He gave us the math, but he never gave us the why. And today, hundreds of years later, the answer is still the same. We don't know. Now ask yourself, if we can clone animals, land machines on other planets, and fit a supercomputer inside your pocket, how is the force that supposedly governs every single object on Earth still unexplained? Unless the explanation we were given was never the full story. And here is where it gets heavy. No pun intended. Picture this. You are standing on a spinning ball, spinning at over 1,000 miles per hour at the equator, tilted at an angle, flying through space at 67,000 miles per hour around the sun. And the only thing stopping you from being flung off into the dark vacuum of space is gravity, this invisible, unexplained force that no scientist can fully define. Does that not bother anyone else? All right, so here's the thing. Physics, for all its power and precision, just isn't perfect. There are places and situations where the rules we've relied on for centuries just stop working. It's not just odd or inconvenient. It's a real problem. The universe at its edges doesn't play by the rules we thought we understood. And honestly, that's a bit unsettling, isn't it? Because it gets worse. The same science that tells you gravity is real also admits that at the quantum level, the tiny world of atoms and particles, gravity basically breaks down. It stops making sense. The equations fall apart. Two of the biggest theories in all of physics, general relativity and quantum mechanics, cannot be reconciled when it comes to gravity. They are not compatible. Scientists call it one of the greatest unsolved problems in physics. So let that land. The force they told you is responsible for everything. The tides, the orbits, your weight, is also the thing that breaks their own best models of reality. You were handed a confident answer to a question that science itself has never fully solved.